How to learn what rewards you can get in AdiClub on Adidas. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are guiding you to the process that you can follow up in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Again, head over to the Adidas application or the website first of all and log in into our account if you're not logged in. After that, we can open up my account or profile option. Usually in the top right corner, we can find it up and click on it, and that should open up the space. And from this section, we can find different options. Here in the given menu, here we can see our points, our different options. So you can just go and check it out here. Otherwise, click on your profile option here in the top right and open up your account base first. And this is our section. We can go to AdiClub Pass. And here, this is the QR code that we can use to collect points and purchase. But usually inside our section right here, we should be finding all of our information and our membership as well. So go ahead and view it up. And right in the profile option, we can directly find it. We can look out for rewards in point history and many more. And available rewards are here that we can basically redeem. And here, the rewards right here depends upon your level. We have level 1 to 2 basic perks, discounts, free shipping, etc. And level 3 to 4 better rewards, which is early access to sales, exclusive product drops, etc. And level flow plus top, which is premium perks, which is VIP experiences, special events, and limited edition items. And you can start redeeming this products, points directly on adidas.com. And it's better if you use the Adidas application. That application usually shows you personalized rewards, challenges to earn the points, and limited time offers, and rewards change based on your country. Some rewards are limited time only, and more points is equal to more options unlocked. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.